Today we are going to see web technologies and its applications. So let's get started with our project. So in this we are going to do a HTML web page in which we are going to show some details which we were assigned. So in this we are going to show title and one image and two paragraph and a list, how to make a list in web page, and we are going to get those images and the text in our web browser. So let's get started. So we have to create a .html file if we want to write HTML programs. So I created a college.html program here, as you can see, and I am going to write code here. So the first and basic thing we have to do is when we are writing HTML code, we have to specify its doc type. So I'm going to write doc type space HTML. It gives an identity to this file that this file is an HTML document. So next I'm going to open an HTML tag. In this we are going to write everything that we are we want in HTML. So next, in HTML we have two parts. One is body and one is head. It's like a cockroach. It doesn't have a neck, but it has only head and a body. So here also we have only head and body. So to write something inside a head, we have to write head tag, and we create an head tag here, and in this we give our title. Our title is web programming. So after head we have no more things to write in our head. So next is body. So we can call a body by body tag. So inside this we are going to mention our title, but in this case we want to print this on screen on the web page. So it's not going to be in the head, it's not going to be in the head, it will directly on the screen. So I'm going to use div means division. It gonna divide the screen into some pixels, and it is row wise only. So it divides something on the screen in row wise. Means if you write something in this div, there is no other options for you to enter in the same thing. You need to create another div to enter anything. So in this div I'm going to give anything title web programming. So next is image. How to add an image in HTML? So to add any image, we are going to use image tag, image space, src. Src means source, from where we are getting source. So source can be from anywhere. It can be directly from the internet. It can, if it is stored in my laptop or my server, I can directly call it. But as we are going to do some experimentations, let's get the images from online itself. So I'm going to get a meme if it is okay. So I'm gonna copy image address, and I will paste it here, and then close the tag. So now we added an image. Another two lines which we are going to do is what we got as the subject is very interesting and designing pages. Actually, I can write this directly also, but I can put this in paragraph tag also. So what difference does it make? It actually make not much difference for us, but it makes very great difference for the browser. the browser can definitely know that this is a paragraph or it is some sentences or strings. So it create no problems whenever we directly write. But if I write something inside this, something new or unknown keys or symbols in this, the browser may not understand that and give disrupted input. So as here only sentence and combination of strings, so we don't need the paragraph sentence, but I will also put on paragraph in the next line. Okay, so now as I did put this in paragraph, so it's not gonna make much difference, but it will help browser to understand what it is. So now it will import an image from the internet, it will give a title or a heading to our window, and it will put a title in separately for us in the screen. So our next task is giving it an, what you say, it is a list. So what are lists? You people simply know what are lists, like it is a paragraph or it is a something line by line which you have written to understand yourself better. So in this HTML we have three types of, one is ordered list, unordered list, and description list or descriptive list, that is DL, which is a DL tag we are going to use to indicate it is a descriptive list. So we can put whatever name we want to tell anyone that what kind of list we have created. So next is ordered list. So ordered list means if you put all any data in any number or any up and down, it you will directly going to get ordered. Means if you don't mention the numbers like 1 2 3 4, it will automatically put. For small lists it won't matter, but when you we are doing in large scale, we may not remember or we find it unhealthy or hard work to do or to put the numbers. So in HTML we are going to get those work simply by using OL tag, ordered list tag. So in ordered list we are going to mention LI, means this is the contents of the list. So we are going to use SCD or subject name, and then again we have five subjects, so control C, control V, and done. And done. So you can see here I put some contents in the list, and that is in ordered list, and we also gave it a descriptive list name, that is class hours r. So next I'm going to run this file whichever I created. So what we can do is we can drag this file and we can open it in browser. So I already opened a previous project, so I'm going to open it here. This is, as you can see, this is the one experimentation I did before. I opened the same file. So if I do a refresh, then as you people can see, I got the new experiment which we did now. So as you people see here, see in title tag we put web programming, and here it is showing web programming. This is the title. This is the first title we put. This one. And the next one is the simple title which we gave for ourselves to understand. Inside screen, you, in the top left corner, you people can see web programming. Then we imported an image from a website. This image what we have imported is showing here. And then here all the contents. See, I told you, if we put the p tag, it's not going to do much difference. I didn't put in this div in this division, but I put in this. But in the output, you people can see this didn't did any much difference. But it is useful when we are going complex in this. And you people can see here, I didn't put any numbers here, but it automatically took 1 2 3 4 5. So how it took? So this OL ordered list, it took directly and it put numbers itself. So that's how it made it ordered way in numbers. We can make it unorderly also if we use UL unordered list. But as our project was to do ordered list, we did this. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.